Hey everybody, it's Dr. Lisa L. Campbell. I'm back with another CCS exam prep. Today we are focused on Group 6, root operations that involve a device. So in Group 6, there happens to be 6 root operations: change, insertion, removal, replacement, revision, and supplement. My little diagram here doesn't have a picture of supplement. Nonetheless, here, what you need to ask yourself or remember is what happened to the device. Was it added, taken out, exchanged, adjusted, or used to reinforce a body part? So let's start with the first one, which is going to be change. Change occurs when a device is removed and replaced with an identical or similar device. This particular procedure, something to note, there is no new incision. This is an external approach procedure. It's out with the old and in with the new. No cutting. Think change. Next up, we have insertion. So this is when a device is added. Nothing is removed. This device assists, monitors, or prevents a physiological function and does not replace the body part. Pacemaker is a classic example. All right. So if the device is placed for the first time and no body part is taken out, it's insertion. Next up, we have removal. I feel like removal is very straightforward. A device is taken out, nothing is replacing it. So they could have, like somebody has a fracture, they put in an internal fixation device, and once the healing is complete, they remove it. And I just thought about, I had ankle surgery September 2024. I don't think I want them to come back in and take the plates and screws out. That whole procedure was traumatic enough. All right, replacement. This is used when a body part is taken out and a device takes its place. The device could be biological or synthetic, and it physically replaces all or part of a body part. Classic example, total hip arthroplasty. The device becomes the body part. We have a replacement. Then we have revision. Revision, the device remains in place, but they're just doing a little manipulation, correcting, repositioning, adjusting a device that was either malfunctioning or it was displaced. Nothing new is added and nothing is removed completely. So when they have a pacemaker lead that gets misplaced or moved around, they might reposition it. And then lastly, we have supplement. Supplement reinforces or supports a body part, but the body part remains intact. The device itself is going to add strength or stability rather than replacing anything. So a perfect example is when a patient has a hernia repair with mesh. The goal here is to supplement. Now, very important. If they just do a repair only and no mesh, that's repair. I wanted to point that out. All right, let's look at some tables. So here is a table for change. You notice what I mentioned about the approach being external. And here you have options for what device is being changed. I wish they would have made this exchange. I think it would have been easier for us to wrap our head around. But nonetheless, make a change. All right, next up, we have insertion. Here you can see the different devices that are going to be inserted with the character 6 for device. And remember, if nothing is being replaced and the device is new, insertion is your root. Removal. Anytime a device is taken out and is not replaced, removal applies. Keep it simple. Out and done. Okay, next up we have replacement. Remember, replacement is involving removing a body part and putting in something that physically takes its place, like a prosthesis. Revision, the provider is fixing, adjusting, repositioning an existing device. So, no exchange, no reinforcement, just correcting. And then we have supplement. And I didn't use the hernia here. I gave an example for the mouth and throat. All right, let's get into some root operations. A patient presents for a routine exchange of a urinary catheter. See the word exchange? The existing catheter is removed and replaced with a similar catheter, but no incision is made. This is a change. Next up, a patient undergoes placement of a pacemaker to regulate the heart rhythm. No body part is removed. What is that? Insertion. A patient has an internal fixation device removed from the femur. No device is placed. What is the root operation here? I said no device is replaced. No device is replaced. That is removal. Next up, a patient undergoes a total hip arthroplasty. The natural joint is removed and replaced with a prosthetic device. You know what this is. It is a replacement. A patient returns for a repositioning of a displaced pacemaker lead. You know what it is. It's a revision. The device is adjusted, but it is not removed. And lastly, we have a patient undergoes a hernia repair with the mesh to reinforce the abdominal wall, but the body part remains intact. That is supplement. If there's no mesh, just a repair, that will be repair only. Key takeaways: add a device, insertion. Remove a device, removal. Exchange a device, change. Replace a body part, replacement. Fix a device, revision. Reinforce a body part, supplement. All right, thank you for watching. This was Group 6, ICD-10-PCS Root Operations. Next up, and let me just see, let me look at the schedule. Oh yeah, so tomorrow we have Group 7, and then Monday we'll have another checkpoint. And so next week we will wrap up PCS, and April 6th, around that time, we'll move over into April 7th. We'll move into CPT. All right. See you tomorrow.